Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am really excited. I decided to go ahead and just move with the pantry reveal. Part of the reason is because yesterday I received a phone call from the countertop company and they told me that Sandstorm was actually in back order, that I wouldn't get it until like the 17th or the 18th or something like that. I was gonna pick something else and then I was just like, no. Day one, I started working on the pantry. That's what I wanted. I wanted Sandstorm and I'm just gonna wait for it, but I'm not gonna have you guys wait. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in a totally different video and share with you the update of the new countertops. So just keep in mind that the ones that you're seeing now, they're not glued down or anything. They're just temporary. And then I'm gonna get the permanent ones installed at the end of the month, so just keep that in mind. All that being said, today's video is sponsored by Best Online Cabinets. So they reached out to me around January asking if there was anything that I needed done in the house, and I thought to myself, the pantry was really the only area where I just left the doors closed all of the time. I never opened the doors. They were like, are you ever gonna clean your pantry? And I was like, no, I'm not going in there. It was horrible. Part of the reason why I was comfortable ordering online, so you guys are gonna be like, how did you just order online? Weren't you scared or something? Nothing came damaged, everything came via freight. That was number one. Number two, if you guys have been following my entire journey of getting the house together, we've ordered a lot of things online. The flooring, because we purchased a wholesale, furniture. Like, I never saw any of this furniture before I ordered. I was just like, I'm gonna trust it and I'm just gonna order it. And that's exactly what I did with this. And it just worked out so well. Within a few months of being in the house, I was like, I want cabinetry. So that's exactly what I did. So I really appreciate Best Online Cabinets for sponsoring this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and share this space with you guys now. And then I'll be back to talk to you guys.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
Oh my gosh, do you guys love it? I absolutely love it. I think it just looks so great. I love the space, all of my little compartments. If you didn't keep up with my videos, all these lovely things here from Container Store, if you're interested, drop down below. What's in that pantry, Nadia? That way I can go ahead and do a little compartment reveal and open up all these things and stuff like that. You guys, I did go over all these. I want some milk and cookie. Real neat. Not so neat. Chocolate chip cookies. You guys want some? In my well-organized pantry. Want a cookie? And it's so fresh, so yummers. You guys, I'm so thirsty after all of that. Give me a little napkin. Get my water. I love my pantry. I hope you guys love it, because I love it. I so love it. It's so pretty. Let me move out the way. I love it. I just opened up all the doors. If you did not keep up with my grocery haul, all of the prep and stuff like that, then I don't know. Some people thought they were dummy doors. No, there's shelves in there. There's food in there. Everything is just tucked away. I can be organized, or I don't have to be organized, but everything is tucked away where I can't see it. So it's really, really great. Again, that soft close. That's, if you're hearing that small little thud sound when it hits the cabinet, when I went to Home Depot, they were out of the Velcro. These cabinets in my kitchen has Velcro, so when they close, the Velcro just does a very soft, but these guys here, I have these little rubber ones on the door, so it doesn't close silently, even though it's still a soft close. It doesn't slam, and the kids have tried to slam it, and I've told them to slam it and stuff. It won't slam, but that final close, it makes a little small thud because it's the plastic touching onto that wood. But you guys, I really, really love this space so much. All jokes aside, I have to say it was an absolute pleasure working with Best Online Cabinets. Number one, they sent extra materials, so if there was any mishaps or something like that, I would be able to get the work done, and this was not just a collaboration thing. I made sure that I asked all these questions for you guys during that process, because at the end of the day, when I collab with a company, I need to know that I'm getting, that what I'm getting is what you guys are getting, point blank and period. And if it's not going to be that, then I don't want to work with the company, because I definitely don't want you guys side-eyeing me, looking at me crazy like, Nadia, why did you do this? And you know, in the future, I want to be able to purchase from this company also. And this is a company that I'm probably going to work with again in the future. Not work with them as in a collaboration, but if I have a client and they're looking for something and they can't find it, I'll definitely go there. They do kitchen, bathrooms, you know, if you have a laundry room and you're looking for cabinetry in there. Right now, we're really in a phase, I will say, of everyone organizing their lives and purging and doing all that. So to have my space like this right now just feels so good. And I'm not embarrassed to leave my door open. That is probably the #1 bonus to all of this. I am not fearful of leaving my door open. I leave it open. I come in here, I grab a bag of chips, I grab my little snacks, I grab a drink, the kids go in here, and I really do enjoy my pantry. I was not enjoying it before, and I enjoy it now, and it just looks and feels just really great. It was a little time consuming to get the project done, but that's because this is our home and I love our home, and if you've been here long enough, you know it's been a process, and I wasn't going to, you know, not give it 100%. So the pieces, so this shelving that you see right here, this unit, it came in like a long piece of wood, and it had to be cut down, and then it has a support going all the way around that you really can't see. Maybe you can see in this one over here. So what I did was I did keep a piece, and this tip is pretty much for any project that you're working on where you're gonna get cabinet from somewhere, especially if you decide to go with Best Online Cabinets. So I kept a piece of the sample from the wood that was cut, and I took it into Sherwin-Williams, and they matched the paint for me to a T. And then I ended up purchasing the emerald, okay, and then all I did was go in with a roller and roll it, because I kept the piece and I was able to get my sample paint. I was able to go ahead and just paint everything. I will say a tip to getting a really nice and smooth finish is going to be to paint it with a brush to get a nice bit of paint on there, and then roll it. And I rolled all 3 of the shelves, and then just kind of went around where the edges weren't finished on there and just kind of touched it up. It looks perfect. It looks very seamless. In order for it to get that really nice seamless custom look, I ended up going with antique white caulking, paintable caulk. And then everything was, I didn't do it. I didn't caulk, so leave me alone. I didn't caulk. The guy that I hired, the painter, he came back in once everything was installed, and then he went ahead and he caulked everything. So that's how that got done. But I wanted to share this with you guys in case you decide to go with the company and there was a question about paint. This is it right here. Originally, when I was thinking about what I wanted, I was gonna do the basic, or I should say the standard, not basic, but I was gonna do the standard top and bottom cabinetry is what I was thinking. And then I thought to myself, I have a massive kitchen, I have a butler's pantry, do I really need that much cabinet space? And the answer for me was no. It may be different for you. So I thought to myself, there's no window, there's only one light fixture. The best way that I can use the space is to, number one, get the cabinets that I needed and also do the shelvings, which is why you see those baskets, which are from Container Store. That really helped to keep some sort of light in there. I did change out the bowls from your soft whites to the daylights. I am going to change the light fixture, but the countertop ended up costing a little bit more than what I expected, but I just went on ahead and I just paid the difference. Everything that I could have possibly wanted in a pantry is pretty much in there. All of my items fit perfectly, and the kids, I'm surprised they've been keeping it up even though they go in there quite frequently. I want to say the measurement was 50 by 90, so I had a lot more length than I had width. So, and because of the door, I only had 13-inch space. So the bottom cabinets are actually top cabinets that are at the bottom. And then the back cabinet is a fridge cabinet that was put in the center. I know I said you guys probably not gonna like this just because I did what was gonna fit my space the best. If that makes sense? I hope that makes sense. Now, I've seen a couple of pantry refreshes and pantry overhauls on YouTube, and to me they were really nice. The only thing that I wanted differently in my pantry, I was just like, I'm not an organization person, and I said that before. And I know how my kids are. They take things out and they don't necessarily put it back. So I was like, I need doors, I need doors, I need doors. Like, throwing things in baskets in my house just works really, really well for me. I did order little hook labels from Target. So those are gonna be coming in the mail. And when those come, I'll show you the update along with the countertops and things like that. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh my gosh, the hardware are from D.W. Lawson. I will leave them linked down below. I decided to do the antique finish just because my cabinets in the kitchen are really dark. My floors are really dark. The new hardware on the doors that I did last year are really dark. So I just wanted something that was gonna complement the space but not make it look like it was so separate from the house. I wanted everything to just fit so nicely and cohesive together. And that is why I ended up picking the hardware that I did. And I absolutely love it. I think it is just so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a quick before. That way you can appreciate the after just a little bit more. So here is a quick look at what the pantry looked like before, you guys. First of all, the pantry was a hot feeling hot. It was a hot mess, okay? It was just a hot mess. Yo, I am finally tackling this lovely pantry behind me. It's a hot mess. This is one of the areas of the house that I just gave up on. I was just like, whatever. It's not what I want it to be. I have no interest in purchasing 30,000 clear containers. I absolutely love the space. It looks really, really good. Considering how it looked before and after, I will pick this all day long. It took about 2 months only because I wanted it to be perfect, and I literally sat there, and as the guys were working, I sat there. It was definitely a process. If you guys are interested, I will leave all the videos down below, that way you guys can see it. So I would definitely say, even if you're not the best at measuring or you're not the best in figuring out what it is that you need, they are definitely the place to go. So that is pretty much it. Sorry this video was long, but I was just really excited. I love the space, and I was waiting a whole month to share this with you guys. So now that I'm sharing it with you, I just can't shut up about it because it's just so amazing. But anyway, I hope you guys have a really amazing day, and don't forget to check them down below in the description box. I will see you guys next time. If you're not already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.